Next topic is temperate zone of the world. We have already read that places near the equator are hotter than those situated far away from it. Based on the latitudinal extent, the world is divided into three broad categories: zone or heat zone. So our world is divided into three categories. Okay, the heat zone of the earth are determined by the amount of sun rays they receive. So how the heat zones are distinguished or differentiated? It is distinguished on the basis of amount of sun rays which that particular areas receive. The three heat zone are the torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Please remember the name of the zones. These zones are found in both the northern and southern hemisphere. These zones are distributed as belt running horizontally around the earth. So as you can see in page number 22, this is the heat zone of the earth. At the center is torrid zone, that is from 23 degree north till 23 degree south. So this area is known as torrid zone. Okay, so and the places from 66.5 degree to 23.5 degree north is known as temperate zone in the northern hemisphere, whereas in from 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree it belongs to the temperate zone in the south region, and at the end it is known as frigid zone. And here you can see it is Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, this is equator, this is Tropic of Capricorn, this is Antarctic Circle. Okay, and this is North Pole and South Pole. So these are the different heat zones of the earth. First is the torrid zone, the region located between the two tropics, that is 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, has a tropical and hot and humid climate. This region is called torrid zone. Okay, so these areas or two tropics are known as torrid zone. The sun rays are direct and strong in this region. So why they are called torrid zone? Because the sun's rays are direct and strong in this region. Most of Africa, southern part of India, Indonesia and northern part of South America and North Australia fall in this region. So please remember the name of the countries which fall under the torrid zone. Next is temperate zone, the region located between the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and the Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere is the northern temperate zone. So we can see that temperate zone is divided into two parts. So one is north temperate zone and the other is south temperate zone. So the areas belonging from the Tropic of Cancer to the Arctic Circle is known as north temperate zone. The region between the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree, and the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree in the southern hemisphere, is called south temperate zone. The places in the temperate zone have a moderate climate throughout the year. So these places, they have a moderate type of climate throughout the year. The climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, the temperate zone lies between the torrid zone and frigid zone. So we can see that the temperate zone lies between the torrid zone and the frigid zone. What are the countries which fall in the temperate zone? They are Europe, Great Britain, Central Asia, northern part of India, southern Australia, New Zealand, and the southern part of South America lies in this zone. Okay, so these are the heat zone of the earth. You can see these are the heat zone. Okay, next is the frigid zone. In the northern hemisphere, the frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, and the North Pole, that is 90 degree north. So this is the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. So similarly in the southern hemisphere also, the frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree, and the South Pole, 90 degree. So this is known as the frigid zone, which belong to the southern hemisphere. These zones remain extremely cold throughout the year. So what is the features of a frigid zone? They are the places which have extremely cold throughout the year. Most of the places in the frigid zone remain covered with snow and ice. So the places which are in the frigid zone, it is always covered with the snow or ice. Northern Canada, a large portion of Greenland, northern Russia, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic lies in this zone. Okay, and this is the colorful house in Greenland. As you can see, the whole area is covered with the snow.